Prodan. Today we're making a race car with just these two wheels. No more wheels, just two wheels. None more, just two wheels. Like 1 plus 1 equals 2. So if we add more numbers to it, of course we're adding, if we add more numbers, we're gonna have more wheels. If we add 2, of course we're gonna have 2 wheels. So the first thing we're gonna need is this motor, and we're gonna turn it backwards on the middle. Then you see this blue tiny thing right here and this short one. Grab this long one with this dot right there. Connect that here. Wait a second. I'm going to try to push it in. Did it? And the next thing I'm going to do, I push it in, and the next thing, I have one right here. I push it in, then we're grabbing this long stick, looks like this. And it looks like it has 25 holes. It doesn't actually. I never count them, I count them something like that. And when you're done fixing the gray one on the side, just make sure you didn't fix it on this side. I'm going to fix this one like on this side. Like this side. Not that side, because it will not fit on this side. You may break a Lego piece and something like that. So the next thing we're going to grab is this. So this thing, we're going to hold this tiny blue thing again. You saw that in the first video at the next motor. And we're going to stick it in on the last level. So then, after the last level, we're putting it at the second level. So then, when you have it on the second level, you're going to stick it right here in these two holes. Then you stick it like that, and it makes a longer knife. Then, we're going to grab this one. And I'll show you what we're going to do with it. The first thing we're going to do with it is we're going to grab this wheel, and we have this thing. We're going to connect it, this thing like that. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to connect it like this. And the next thing, we're going to grab this orange one. We're going to connect it. Here is a special thing for wheels. Well, we connected there already. Then we're going to grab this brown wire again. You saw it from the next time. And then the next time, you're going to stick it on the next level. Now, don't stick it at this level like I showed you this time. You see, I sticked it here. You see? And it's much easier to take it out when you do that. So then now we have all of the stuff here. Just let me take this thing out. Just make sure it is connected to the big one. Then I stick it like that somehow. You stick it like that, then you connect it like there, right here. I don't know how to fix it. I'm a good guy at fixing it. Ooh, that's too high. This looks... Then we're going to grab this one, spin it over, and connect it with the big one again. We're going to grab this thing like... Oh, push the whole thing. Then, when you're done with every single thing, you finished. It looks like this. Then, you look how it can look like. It looked like that. It used to be that. The first thing he made, it looks like a bomb, man. When you do this, it means like you put something under, like a building. Then you press this. Then it does steps on a building because it has this heavy thing. When you let it go, it doesn't steps on a building. Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's your turn to make your own car, race car, something like that. And bye-bye.